Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.5 on Debian 12.11 operating system. But the process is same on all Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. See, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 17.5. Click on download, then select Linux, then scroll down, then select Debian. See the message. The PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current versions of Debian, Bookworm, Bullseye, Buster, Trixie, and Sid. Okay. So we can install on any version of 12.1, 2, 3 up to 11. Okay. So open terminal. We have to execute these commands one by one. So copy this one. This will install the curl and CS certificates if it is not installed. Paste it, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. It is done. Ctrl L. Now import the repository signing key by executing these two commands. Hit enter. Then copy this one, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now we have to create the repository configuration file. So copy these both lines, copy it, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now update the packages. Sudo apt update. Hit enter. It is done. Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL -17. If you want to install 17, you have to use 17. Or if you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. But I want to install latest version, so I am not going to provide any version number. So it will install the 17.5. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 17. So it is the latest version. Type I for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo. Before that, verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Ctrl L to clear screen. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is running and it is enabled. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, this is PSQL client version, not the PostgreSQL server version. To verify the PostgreSQL server version, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL server 17.5. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now verify the list of the databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the list of the databases by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let us create a database. Create database. Now switch to this database by using \cr connect. Either is same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Let us verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table. Create table. See, we have created table in public schema. This is the name of the table. Type is table and one is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we'll see how to create user. Before that, verify the list of users. \d use the command. See, we have only one user, that is the Postgres. I forgot to tell you, the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this Postgres user. So, alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. Okay, now we'll create user, create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, hit enter. Now verify users. See, we have these users. We can also verify the list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, we got the list of the users. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. \q is the command to exit. PSQL hyphen caps U. New username is David. Then hyphen H localhost hyphen D means database Postgres. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this David user that you have created. See. Password wrong. See, I have given this password. So, see, we have successfully connected to the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Let us verify currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have connected with the user David. Okay, Control L. Now try to switch to bank database. Now run the query. Select star from customer. See, permission denied for the table customer because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server on Debian 12.11. Okay, we can't start or stop with this Postgres user. So exit. Now sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped. See here, inactive or dead. Okay, so you can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. Exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have started 2 seconds ago. Q to hit Control L. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, we have started or restarted 1 second ago. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. Okay, for those two tools, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install pgadmin or dbeaver on Debian 12 operating system. So in this video, we have successfully installed and configured PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Debian 12 operating systems. Okay, for more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.